So let's start with today's recipe. So here I've taken 2 medium-sized onions, washed them well. Now I'm just going to cut each of them into half, cut off the edges, peel them. And then I also like to take out the center yellow or white part of the onion. And then I'm going to wash the onions after I peel them again under water. So these are the onions. And now I'm just going to heat up a pan, and I'm going to add about 2 cups of water to this pan, and I'm going to add the onions, and we're going to bring this to a gentle boil, and we're going to boil this mixture for about 5 whole minutes or 10 whole minutes, and then we're going to take off the onions. Let the onions cool to room temperature, and then you're going to grind these onions to a very, very fine paste like this. Now what I've also done is I've taken about 10 to 12 cashew nuts, and I'm going to soak them in 1/4 cup of hot water for about 15 minutes, and again grind the cashew nuts with about 4 to 5 tablespoons of water to a very fine paste like this. So now I've taken 250 grams of chicken. To that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of dahi or yogurt, followed by 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, some salt to taste. We're going to give all of this a nice mix so that all of the chicken gets coated with the marinade. And we're going to set this aside for 15 minutes. Now this recipe has no flour, no milk and no butter. Now besides that, we also require 2 green chillies that I've slit fine, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 tablespoon of kasuri meethi and some fresh coriander. So now I'm going to heat my pan, to which I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of clarified butter or ghee. You can also use regular cooking oil. Once the ghee is hot, I'm going to add my cumin seeds and my green chillies. Now we're going to fry the green chillies and the cumin seeds well for about half a minute. And then I'm going to add my onion paste. Get all of that in there. And we're going to fry this for at least 2 to 3 minutes till the rawness of this onion goes away. Now I'm going to add my marinated chicken along with all of the marinade. So get all of that marinade inside. Now you're going to fry the chicken well. So I'm just going to increase the flame to a medium flame. And I'm going to fry it really well. And then I'm going to cover and cook it for about 5 minutes on a very low flame. After 5 minutes, again I'm going to give the chicken a nice stir. Now no water is added to this chicken, and again I'm going to increase the flame to medium and fry this a little for about half a minute. Now I'm going to add the cashew nut paste. Again give it a good mix. Again lower the flame, cover and cook for another 2 minutes on a medium flame or a low flame. Now again I'm going to give the mixture a gentle stir. At this point you can also check that your chicken is all nice and cooked. Now I'm going to add the crushed kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves and the coriander leaves. Give everything a mix and turn off the heat, and this lovely creamy white chicken is all ready. You can serve this with some parotas, you can serve this with some naan, you can have it with some pulao, with some rice. It's really so delicious that you'll want to make it all the time. So I hope you give this recipe a try, guys. Give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.